Hebei Create Instrumentation Technologies Company Limited is a national high-tech technology enterprise which is specialized in the water quality online analysis instruments. After years of painstaking research, the company has obtained 73 patents and 72 computer software copyrights. Products passed the European CE product certification. The product chain has formed two industrial categories. Serialized integrated water quality analysis instruments covers online analyzers of ozone, free chlorine, urea, hardness, COD, ammonia, nitrogen, total phosphorus, total nitrogen, multi-parameters, and digital sensors of conductivity, resistivity, pH and ORP, dissolved oxygen, turbidity, fluorine, flow, and other analytical products. Our products have been exported to 92 countries around the world and gradually established regional partners. The company has a complete set of research and development, production, testing, quality control system, advanced digital production equipment, digital detection and quality control platforms, such as automatic core cutting machine and multi-dimensional space precision machining. Turning Milling Integrated Machining Center provides comprehensive quality assurance for precision machining of sensors. Electronic Production Line SMT Automatic Placement, SMD Automatic Insertion, AOI Artificial Vision, Reflow Soldering, Wave Soldering, Automatic Machine Detection FCT, and other equipment to ensure mass production and quality. The company strictly implements the Quality Management System, Environmental Quality Management System, Occupational Health and Safety Management System. Createch is willing to cooperate with the wading industry chain partners to protect the ecological water quality, ensure the safety of human life, and push wisdom in China to a new peak.